To work in Microsoft School Manager, user account must be included in users table. It is important to add users in the users table for each database. Otherwise it will not allow you to work in it. If you save an existing database, the users table will be automatically stored in the database, so that you do not need to add again. You can import and export user account by using import and export button. In this case you need to type your administrator account password in the password box. If you are creating new database, then there is two ways to add user in the users table. In the first way to add user, there is 7 steps. Step 1. Login through your admin account. Successfully login. Step 2. Click on User Panel tab. Step 3. Click on Users icon. Step 4. Type user ID, username, and select the account type. Step 5. Click on Send OTP button. Step 6. Type the OTP in the OTP box. Step 7. Click on Add button. Add all other users through the same process. In the second way to add user, there is 11 steps. Step 1. Login through your user account. Step 2. Click on User Panel tab. Step 3. Click on Request List icon. Step 4. Click on Request button. Request sent. Do the same process to add all other users. Step 5. Login through your admin account. Successfully login. Step 6. Click on User Panel tab. Step 7. Click on Request List icon. Step 8. Select the user. Or you can select multiple users by check the Select Multi-Row checkbox. To select multiple users, check the Select Multi-Row checkbox. Double-click on the row which you want to select. We'll see an array creating by its reference ID. Step 9. Click on Send OTP button. Step 10. Type the OTP in the OTP box. Step 11. Click on Accept Request button. Request accepted. Now close the request list window. Click on Users icon to see the users table. There is all the users which are allowed to use the database. For example, A has an admin account and B has a user account. B want to use the database. In this case B needs to send a user request, where A needs to accept the user request.